Honda Jazz. Basic problem and also jerking. First, we will do the tune-up for that. And second thing, we need to troubleshoot what is the exact problem of that. But first, the initial problem is tune-up because there is a lot of jerky in the throttle, and also the spark plug is very old. This is the way. Coil still, we need to check it one by one if there is some missing for that or some problem. If the coil is good, it means that there is some other problem.